Yeah, dog, you know. Yeah, that me getting some good sleep in, 10:30 in the morning, but as usual, you get woke up to them text messages. I
Bruh.
can't see early in the morning. Flip the phone over and got to see what's going on. Hold on. I open up, see it's my dog Kibo. Kibo hit me up talking about 10-mile MX Saturday. I'm like, hold on, dog. My dream is this 10-mile MX Saturday. My boy, no, I can't jump. I'm there, wipe the dirt off my face, get up out the bed, head on over to the closet. As I always do, I look through the wardrobe. Of course, I said, forget that. Time to get out of here. Hit the garage.
Run.
Bruh.
Hold on. Your boy just woke up. No, I had to hit that refrigerator one time. I bang with me out of there. I'm tired. I ain't even did nothing, but if we're going to the track, I gotta go ahead and get this maintenance up real quick, real fast. Yes sir, man, we back, Mr. YZ, baby, the kid, man, all that. Anyway, what you got going on today? You here with me? Cool, bit, tap in. My dog Kibo sent that text. He said we're going to 10-mile MX. So, I'm going, bro. Only thing is, I'm tired of renting U-Haul. Tired of renting goddamn trucks from the airport. By the time I'm done, I'm gonna spend me $250, $300, my truck been down, it's killing me now. I'm thinking about putting this hitch on the back of my little Altima. Shout out Moto Bro. I see Moto Bro with that hitch on the back of his what you got, bro? You got one of Subaru. I see it, man. There, come on, bro. So today, let's get on into it. We finna start playing with the bike, fixing up some things, tying up some things. Get ready for the weekend. YZ baby, I'm glad y'all here. It's another day, another vlog. Anyway, we in this. Let's get it. From now on, man, ain't no more U-Haul. Ain't no more running. I'm there. Invite me. Tell me to pull up to the line. Tell me to come to your spot. Tell me to meet you on it. What's going on, y'all? So it's the next day. We done made it to Saturday, and obviously I'm still standing here. So it's confirmed. I ordered that rack to go on the back of the Altima, so we will be halting this guy everywhere with us now. First thing I had to do, I had to get back down there to them spokes. Always make sure them spokes is right. Yes, sir. So as you can see, man, them folks ain't playing, man. The hitch has been shipped. And guess what? That thing left already. It's already in Georgia. I just ordered it a day ago. It's already in Peachtree City. Oh, my. Man, bro, them folks talking about that thing was about to be here like this. Boy, that shit might be here today. Hey, how you doing? I was just doing my YouTube. It's crazy. I just ordered this like yesterday.
Oh, really?
They said it's not gonna be here until Monday.
Okay, orders that fast.
Thank you. Shout out UPS for getting it here extra early. It's here. So I guess I'm popping out earlier than I thought, y'all. That's crazy. Them folks said it was gonna be here Monday. I guess everything happens how it's supposed to, huh? Oh man, and they got Amber. Listen, y'all seen it. They just dropped it off early. I was about to work on the bike now and got stuck in the middle of two projects. Now what do I do? Do I finish working on that bike? Or do I put the rack on before the rain come down? I think I'm gonna have to back the car, get it on this angle, cause I ain't jacking this shit up. All right, unboxing this guy. Excuse me, I'm boxing it by myself. You know what I'm saying? See what we got up in here. Okay, you see. Obviously, where the screws at, dog? So, as you can see, it's not really much to the puzzle. Just this and some screws. That's what I like. Simple. You know what I'm saying? So that's it, man. You did, you gonna go up under there like that there. They give you the screws, instructions, all that right there. So yeah, dog. Damn. Damn, y'all. This little right here is stopping me from being able to get it all the way to back there. Yep. So I need a longer one. And one that can go all the way through the back instead of stopping short. Damn, dog. Come on, man. You're so on the hustle up.
2 hours later.
I forgot about Harbor Freight, y'all. I goddamn forgot. So before I give up and try to sit in the back and get the big one on there, I was like, damn, let me just go to the store real quick. See if I can find me an extension to go up in there. It is. So we in there. I don't think they got nothing easy. Damn. I swear you always be seeing this shit till you need it. Second stop, Walmart. I think it's gonna be this one right here, y'all. That 1/4 from that baby there. Okay, as you can see, I had to make that little store run. Had to get everything to make it work. So we end up making it work. I had to go find one of these right here. As you can see, the adapter. So yep, had to go get some of that to make sure them plates stay there. Seal it gasket maker. So you throw them screws in there. Yeah, man, that thing ain't leaking all the exhaust back into you. You got the exhaust right there. It's gonna leak into the trunk. So you need this to seal around the holes. Anyway. Alright, yeah, so I done let it get late on me, folks. As y'all can see, it got nighttime to close the garage down because I'm finna make some noise. You see, I got my rack. It's ready to go on there. All I gotta do is get that in there. So we finna drop these mufflers. Go ahead and get to the spaces I need to get to, and just go ahead and do this, man. Enough is enough. Alright, so basically, we want to get this muffler screw loose on both sides. You see back there, I have my harness from a dirt bike strap wrapped up on the front of it, just in case I want to hit these screws that's up here, so I can drop my muffler down even more to give it more wiggle room. But I'm gonna try first, and we're just gonna repeat this process on the other side. So ain't no point in going over there and show you. Yes, sir. The first one is on, as you can see. So yeah, got both of the things dropped, looking like a hot rod now. Yep, so this is the part where you need a little companion. Shout out her. If you ain't got one of hers in your life, guess you gotta have a bro. I'd rather hang out with a her than a bro sometimes. Don't get me wrong with the bro, all that. This is the day one bro though, you know. Yep, I'm trying to see. Is this pushing or tilting? God damn it. Alright, I'm gonna let it die. Got that drill. Now it's time to put the holes up in there real quick. Yeah. Oh, that wasn't hard. Right through there. So as you see, we got lights. I need some fast food. bigger. That much fin in there. Alright, so let's get all the bolts. Yep, now this right here is just some Gorilla Glue. Let that get on there. Stick on there. Boom, got the other plate in there. So boom. Them my two tools I got to keep them down with force. So when I go under there and I start pushing and tamper with the screws, it don't knock it up. You get it? Let's go. Ah. So as you can see, we have it flush all the way back against the frame, all the way up. So yeah, man, got them two in there. Man, listen, see what's going on? Do you see it? Oh man, oh, life just got so much better, y'all. I can pull up, y'all. And that's it, man. That's it, man. I thank y'all. I thank y'all for staying in tune with me from yesterday to tonight to this morning. It's morning time. Anyway, 125, baby, dog. I'm doing it. I'm living it. We out. Yep. So it's on.